In today's English on the Go, we look at the difference between rain, rain, and rain. Rain is water that falls from the sky. It can be a noun and a verb. The rain came down fast. Rein refers to a long, thin strap used to control a horse. Hold on to the reins, the instructor yelled out. When rein is used in other situations, it's usually used to talk about being in control in other ways. For instance, if someone hands over the reins to you, it usually means they are handing over control. It was time to hand over the reins to the next generation. To rein something in can mean to control. I decided to rein in my spending. But free rein or full rein can mean to have full freedom to do what you want. They had free rein over the budget for the project. Rein is often used to talk about the rule of a royal king or queen. It can be used as a verb or a noun. He was a very popular king during his reign. The queen reigned for many decades. So how do you remember the difference? For rain, remember the rhyme rain, rain, go away. For rain, remember the word restrain, which also means to control. Rein and restrain have re in them. And for rain, remember a great king or queen, which will help you add the silent G to reign. For more English on the Go videos, go to ABC Learn English.